when kids learn to see everyday items as tools for creativity, they start thinking more flexible in general. I'm really believing it. It trains them to look at problems from different angles, and they use what they have on hand and not be afraid to try new solutions. So I think that it's connect directly uh, to problem solving outside of art. Um, yes, and it's about not be afraid to try new solutions from really unexpected ways, and that kind of thinking carries over into real life challenges. It's maybe whether it's fixing something, coming up with a new idea, or working as a team. It's creativity in action, not just on paper. And I'm really sure that when you try something like this in art, you can easily, maybe without understanding by yourself, can use it in your everyday life. And I'm sure that kids make it more easier than adults. They really, like not mentioned by themselves. They use it this new skill which they took from art, from using unexpected tools in art. They can use it in their, for example, schools communication and in their everyday life.
Yeah, I feel like problem solving skills, that's it, like kind of skill that outstanding coming out from in my opinion, because you suddenly don't have pencil there to use, don't have color to use. How you can you have ink here, you have pens here, but you don't have any normal tools that normally we think we don't have brush here to use. So it's more like it's help us to start thinking outside of the box.
Yes.
It's great the flexibility building the real world problem solving, from my opinion, that kids learn to use everyday objects in the new way. That suddenly put them in the situation, the atmosphere that they don't have those kind of tools to use every day. They become more like a resourceful, less focused on what they don't have. They're more curious about what they can do with what around them, you know. So that mindset carry into the school friendship and also how they approach the challenges at home as well. So that is a lot of little funny thing when we say how to approach challenges at home, because they might think outside the box and they use it with the parent. So that's not what we want to suggest. It's sometimes it's really good, sometimes it's not like the idea for the kids starting to approaching some other way to like, make the parents believe on them or something like that. But it's always amazing for me to see like it's not about art, but it's also about growing adaptable thinking. So a lot of time we also have to rethink like, oh, when you have the kid sneaky out to get what they want from the parents, right? So it's way have funny way to think about that. And yeah, I really like this topic as well. I wish that, as I say again, I wish that when I was younger, I had more opportunity to attend to like a workshop like this.